Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing fine. So today I wanted to pour on a wooden heart and I want to use my new split cup. I made it myself from Warba, the same material I used last time. So Warba is a thermoplastic and you heat it up and you can shape it. So it's a pretty big one, but I wanted to use it for the small or big projects. So let's fill this one up. I'm using some cheap grass paints and I wanted to do sort of a rose. So this is a metallic purple. Then I've got a red. You can see my split cup isn't completely watertight, so I have to hurry. I just made it like 10 minutes ago, so probably still needs some tweaking. Okay, so I'm putting the black in the middle because I want the red and the purple to stand out. And I want to try and create some pearls. So I made a little bit of a gold. And I'm gonna use that as my pillow. Hopefully it's thin enough. I'm not sure if I have enough pink, but you know what? Let's try. And I put more red, but let's do a ring pour. Starting to lose my light. I wanted to get a little bit more of the red, but guess we're having a purple heart. Watch it before I'm stretching it. Let's see if we can create some pearls. Okay, so I didn't get any pearls. I guess my paints were too thick for the gold to come through. I don't mind, it's still really pretty. So I'm gonna show you the dry result. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a great time. Bye guys.